Okay, you gonna push me? Uh-oh. Okay. All right, I'm in this. I have to go. Can you push me? Okay, wait, let me get up. Let me get my feet up. Okay, first glance. Oh, here we go! Jesus. Oh my God. Oh, that was terrifying. Oh, that was exhausting. So exciting and exhausting at the same time. Your turn, I'll watch you. I'm hungry. Here's Jasmine on the purple sled. Coming down the mountain. She always hits that patch of snow. It has her name on it. You always hit that patch. Alright, you want to do this one? You can go farther. Here. What are you doing? Here, get on this one. Say hello to the people.
Hello.
Hello. Here, you take this one. I'll take that one. Excuse me. That was like a hiccup burp. Okay. Go to the terp. Go to the terp. Go to the terp. So the boogie board's out here. The penguin is on that one over there. And then the other ones are hiding for... I don't use them right now. Whew! It's an exhausting day, huh?
Mom, I want to see you do that one.
I will. I want to see you do this one first. I want to see if you go faster. Keep your feet up though, okay?
I need you to push me though.
Please. Put your feet up. Alright. I'm coming through the mountain. When she comes, she'll be coming through the mountain. When she comes. Are you ready? Ready, spaghetti? There she goes. Against the wall. The bobsled wall. Cool.